In terms of the hide itself, you've spent a considerable amount of time in other hides around the world. How does this compare feature-wise and photographic opportunity-wise?
It's fantastic, isn't it? The hides I've been in the UK are sort of very traditional. Well, for want of a better word, it's an old dilapidated shed somewhere that you sit in the wind and it's freezing cold, and you're wrapped up like you're outside in the winter. Being in here is really good. The tables, the facilities, the moving tables going up and down for different people's heights. It's well thought out. I love the fact that you can go and make a cup of tea, hot cup of coffee. The fridge is for your water, beer. Make yourself a bit of toast, make yourself a meal. It's got a full set up kitchen. The different setups with the windows is really good, and it's probably better than any of the other hides I've ever been in by a big majority. One thing's great is the learning facility where we've got, he's got the big screen set up and we can do some editing and processing sessions and some theory and use the laptops for reference and guidance while we're doing that.
They've thought of everything, haven't they? It's designed by somebody who's obviously got a lot of experience in hides and taken all those, all the best things from those and put it all into one hide. And I think one of those key things as well is that you can talk, right? We're talking now, and the birds are oblivious. You've got this incredible one-way glass where the birds can't see us, and we're seeing straight through. Yeah, crystal clear. Yeah, and then we can walk around and for tuition, people being able to move and chatting them through settings and what they're doing photographically. It's special. To me,
it's very difficult to run a photography tour where people need or would like assistance and help female bullfinch. Nice. Where people want help, but you're 20 yards away in a single little dome tent, and you can't do anything to help people when they need help because they're in a tent. But here we've got different, we can walk right through and talk to people, and it's brilliant. Cool.